What's up, team? Angela Gargano here, and today we're going to talk all about neck pain. And I've had a lot of you message me and tell me that you're feeling neck pain during a lot of your core movements. So we're going to go through a few different tips today on how we can get rid of that pain and help you finally just feel those core movements in your core and not anywhere else. Make sure you like and subscribe here on this video today. And at the end of this video, I have a 7-day core program that you can download completely for free. And it will go through 7 days of workouts that you do with me so that you can finally get that core that you've always wanted. So, first things first, if you're having neck pain, sometimes since we are sitting all day on the computer, and we're hunched and we're like this the entire time, you need to make sure that you are warming up your neck before starting the core movement. So simple movements that you can do is circle your neck all the way around and drop your ear to each shoulder. So really taking your time here, and note that we hold on to a lot of stress and tension in our neck. So really take your time. Then you can circle around to the other side, again, dropping your ear to each shoulder. Really taking your time here. I like to do it for about 30 seconds. Next, you can take your hand and tug the opposite side of your ear and then really pull down to one shoulder and just kind of hold. Hold, hold, hold. Get a nice stretch here on the side. Not very glamorous, but it works. And you can switch to the other side, holding. Now, once our neck is feeling pretty good and loose, I'm going to give you 4 different tips in order to help you with the neck pain in a few of the core movements. So we're going to drop down to the floor, and we're going to go through first, starting with the basic crunch. That's what we're going to start with. Now, I don't think that crunches are the best way to conquer core moves and really get a nice strong foundation, but they aren't bad. Okay, they are a great movement to help with the upper core. So I'm going to use these ones intentionally because I know these are ones that definitely hurt people's necks. You're going to land to your back, okay? And I'm going to show you what the crunch looks like, right? So your hand goes behind your neck, you push the low back to the ground, and you take your nose up to the ceiling and bring it back down. Okay, so a lot of people do feel this in their neck. Maybe they're just doing it like this, and they're like, oh my goodness, feeling all this pain back here. So one of the tips to do, and it's going to seem super weird, is you're going to take your tongue, and you're going to put it to the top of your mouth, okay? Hands behind your neck, and then lift your nose to the ceiling. Believe it or not, by putting the tongue on the top of your mouth, it actually helps to relieve the tension in the back of your neck. Another thing to think about this with the crunch is that you're not supposed to be going forward like this. I know a lot of you think that you are supposed to be doing that. Instead, you want to pretend that there's a string on your nose and it's popping to the top of the ceiling. So pretend like something's pulling you straight up. So your hands will be behind your neck. You'll lift the nose straight up to the ceiling. Straight up. Okay? Next thing to think about is your hands should not be grabbing super tight on the neck and really forcing you up. Because again, that could really hurt that neck, right? You want to make sure that your head is just resting in your hands on the back of your neck. And if this is all just like not helping and you're just like, I'm still feeling it in my neck, I don't know what I'm doing, a great thing to do is to take a towel, okay? You put it behind your neck. This is one of my favorite things to do. You put it behind your neck, right? Your elbows go up to the ceiling and you lift up. And this will allow a little cradle for your neck so that you don't feel any pain there. Okay, so these few different tips are going to help you so that you're actually feeling your core movements in your core and not feeling all that tension in your neck. But you have to make sure that you stretch it out. And try these little things. Put the tongue at the top of your mouth. I know it seems silly, but it does help. Or if you're really having trouble, use that towel. Because the whole point with your workouts is to feel everything in the right areas, right? And this is a great way in order to do that, especially if you're feeling it in your neck. I hope this was helpful for you today. If you want some more tips and tricks, I have a 7-day free core program. It's actually in the link down below, completely free. You can download it and do 7 days of core workouts with me. I'll walk you through everything so that you can feel things all in the right areas. And if you like this video today, do not forget to like and subscribe. If there's any other movements that you're feeling like you're having pain in weird areas or you need help on, let us know so we can create more content for you in order to help you along your journey. Hope to see you soon.